Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2024 Toyota Hilux Invincible. Now this one here is a double cab pickup truck and it does come to you in a lovely blue, and this does have just 9,000 miles on the clock. And as well as that, this Toyota Hilux really does pack in all those driver conveniences. There's hands-free calling, voice assist, cruise control, as well as heated seats for the two front passengers, satellite navigation, radio, reversing camera, eco mode and a power driving mode as well. Not to mention this of course does come with two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, low range as well. There is also an 100-watt mains power outlet in here, as well as in the back we do have 3 seats for the rear passengers. Pop this down in the middle for the comfort. There's 2 cup holders and an armrest for the rear passengers as well. And if that's not enough, we do come around to the bed, which for a double cab pickup truck is still very, very generous in size. And unlike other pickup trucks, this one, as we do open it, it does come down nice and gently with those arms just there on the side. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Toyota Hilux, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. Both are linked in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. Or if not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more. And now is the time to buy one of these, as well as in April, the benefit in kind tax is changing and this is going to be considered a car, meaning you've got till April to pick up one of these at a better rate.